They told you that hair can't grow faster, but science says otherwise. One simple herb, rosemary, has been proven to stimulate hair growth, thickness, and reducing hair thinning. And the best part is that you can make this powerful hairspray right into your kitchen. Stay tuned because I'm showing you how to make rosemary water that actually works with science to back it up. Welcome back to Cassia Natural. So today we are making a rosemary water hairspray that promotes hair growth thicker and scalp health using DIY rosemary leaves and a few simple steps. So add your rosemary in a bowl and pour in. So make sure that you let it simmer so that it can be infused. So that is how it looks like after being infused in water. And of course, don't pour a lot of or rather bubbling hot water, okay? And then pour it in a glass jar or bowl. Then you pour your water over the rosemary leaves. So the heat helps release the plant's natural oils, especially rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, both proven to boost scalp circulation and prevent hair follicles. So cover and let this steep it overnight. So this allows the water to become rich in antioxidants and nutrients. So the next day, strain your rosemary. So of course, my beautiful friends, this is the next day. As you can see, the rosemary has changed to brown. You can add if you want to preserve it, like Geogard Ultra, Optifen Plus, or Gemma Plus. So at this point, we are going to strain it. So this is a very important step. So you can use a cheesecloth, and of course, I did preserve using Yuxi natural preservative. So it lasts for 6 months if you preserve it with a cosmetic preservative. However, if you refrigerate it, it can stay for 3 to 5 days without a preservative. So of course, you can use this rosemary hairspray 2 to 3 times in a week, okay, for maximum hair growth. So now we are just straining our rosemary. So a 2015 study publication in Skin Med journal find that rosemary performs better, just as well as minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine, in promoting regrowth without side effects. So that's why rosemary water is more than, an herb. It's science actually in a bottle. So every spray is a step towards healthier natural beauty without harsh chemicals. Let nature do the work, and your hair will thank you. So subscribe to Cassia Naturals and give this video a big thumbs up, and share this video and comment in the chat section below. So my beautiful friends, we are actually in the 30-day hair challenge of using rosemary. So you can join our challenge. You're very welcome. Let's do this together, my beautiful friends. So of course, for you to see the results, you need to be consistent. So within 4 to 5 weeks, you'll be able to see the difference, like in thickness and on your edges and on your spots, like your hair will start growing. So you can store it in a spray bottle. So the spray bottle actually works very well. Like you just spray it on your scalp and to the rest of your hair, and then you do massage. And of course, next I'm going to show you exactly how to use. So of course, make sure that you spray it on the edges like so, and to the rest of the hair and your scalp, and make sure that you do a light massage. This promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So subscribe, my friends, to Cassia Naturals, and you can go in sealing the moisture with rosemary oil. So I'll link the video in the description box below how you can make your own cold infusion rosemary oil. So spray a generous amount and then seal in that moisture. Concentrate on the area problem and then massage it throughout your hair strands. So if you have tried rosemary before, I'd love to hear from you. Comment in the chat section below, my friends. And if you're going to join this challenge, comment below, my beautiful friends. So massage actually, like we said, boosts blood circulation, and it actually, with consistent use, like people notice a thicker, stronger hair within 4 to 6 weeks.